Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we're going to be doing a little bit of springtime maintenance here on the 2009 Lexus GX470. We're going to be replacing the air filter. We're going to be using our original equipment, Denso. Part number is 143-3045. And on this vehicle, to get at the air filter, it's underneath this cover here. We're going to need our handy dandy trim tool to pop a couple of rivets off. There should be some more there, but I seem to be missing some components. So let's get started here. There's one. Slide this cover off here and get at our air box. While we're here, check our power steering fluid. Looks a little dark. Looks like I might need to swap that out. And let's see. Looks like we have 4 clamps here that hold the air box on. So we get the 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and then go ahead and set your folks up right here. Lift that out. Reach in, grab our old air filter. Doesn't look too bad, but definitely, you know, this was we put this in last fall, and it's time to change it out, and we're gonna go ahead and do that today here. And got that. Grab the new filter. Take a look at it. Looks like looks the same as what was here, except I guess there does seem to be a little bit of a difference in the filter. So this is going to wind up going down, and this side is up. So you can see that it did an effective job at keeping the dirt out, because that was a lot dirtier than I thought. So we're going to chuck that to the side, and we're going to take a look to see if there's any directional tab. Nope, it looks like it just goes straight in. So we're going to lift this up, slide this in, get it in place, get our top housing on, snap the fronts, reach around behind here. I don't want to twist you upside down there. Take that. Okay, that's pretty much it, and we can just go ahead and reinstall the cover. Get things lined up here. Get that one in, and that's pretty much it. So less than 5 minutes, we've got another maintenance item ticked off the list here at the Rust Bucket Adventures, and we will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or about maintenance items or repairs, just please leave them in the comments, and I'm sure going to be working on this one. Looks like I'm going to be doing some paint touch-up too. Look forward to that in the next video or future video. So again, thanks for visiting in and checking with us here at Rust Bucket Adventures. We'll see you in the next one.